Hi guys, hope you're well. Welcome back in this new YouTube video where I'm gonna unbox two little babies that were on my wish list. So I'm super excited and I'm gonna tell you how I got them, how much, where, and everything. But stay until the end of this video because I'm gonna unbox the Hermès one at the end. So stay until the end. And well, if you like luxury things, unboxing, secondhand, pre-loved, this type of things, do not hesitate to like this video first and then to subscribe. Be very happy to have you here around. Anyway, the first thing I want to show you that I just got is from Tag Heuer. So I do have the box. I actually bought this one secondhand, pre-loved, and the other one brand new in store. So I'm just gonna show you what it is. So now I'm just gonna explain first kind of the story of this. Well, if you like, Tag Heuer is a watch brand, so as you can guess, it's a watch. I'm just gonna open the box first. So I do find the watch with the box. I'm quite happy. I didn't really care actually to have the box and papers for the watch. I'm not like a watch lover a lot, so I didn't care. I do have like guaranteed card, instruction, customer service book, and everything, and I do have the inside box as well. I didn't really care because I'm not like a watch girl and I don't care about having the box or whatever. Box of this like box is a bit damaged, but otherwise, and I did not have the the cushion inside, but I don't care. So that is the watch. I will try to have like here probably like a video of the watch closer, like a close up. I do love it. And what I loved about it is that it's perfect size for me, which is kind of unusual because I have like a very, very little wrist and I did not need it to change the size. It was like perfect. I can put a finger, so it's a perfect size. I'm so excited. Inside is white. It's beautiful with little diamonds inside. I don't think it's real diamonds though, but I don't care. Like I'm not a diamond girl, so I don't really mind. I was not looking for a diamond watch. Actually, I was looking for something even more simple. But I found this one. Like a client asked me if I would like buy this for another client or take it in consignment for my brand that is boundluxurystore.com, where I source you and sell you luxury handbags, pre-loves, and accessorized jewelry, SLGs, and everything. So I was like, oh my god, I think I'm gonna keep it. And when I received it, actually, it fitted perfectly. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna keep it. I bought it for her. Like I bought it from her 1,300, 1,400 euro approximately, and I was going to sell it for approximately like 2,000, 2,300, something like this. It's beautiful, yeah, because in Europe we do have IVA included in the price. We do have taxes, in like customs. We have a lot, so this is why there is such a big difference between purchase price and selling price, because we do have tons of taxes, and we include like transport, insurance, everything, every fees and everything. Anyway, so I was super happy because I was looking for a watch. If you haven't seen like my wish list video, this was on it, and I was not necessarily on a specific watch. I liked like the Chanel Premiere. I liked the Hermès ones, the Kelly and over like the Cap Code. I like the Cartier one. The Cartier is a bit more expensive, and at first this is not a watch brand. So I was preferred like for my first luxury watch a very a watch brand. Like they were Tag Heuer is specialized in watches only mostly. And this is not like a jewelry brand or whatever. So I was kind of happy to have it like this as a first watch. And this brand is not that expensive. It's very similar to Rolex, kind of some models, some designs, but the prices are so nice. Like brand new, this watch is worth like 3,200 euro or something like this. And this is cool because Rolex minimum price now is like between 6,000 and 7,000 euro, which is kind of expensive. It's a better investment too, but still. So I was very happy also because it's gonna be my first luxury watch. So super excited. I do have a date also on this one. So no, I'm very happy actually because it's gonna be super useful. It's my first one. I did not had any watch. I'm not used to wear watches. I don't wear a lot of things on my wrist personally. Even though I have lots of bracelet and so on, I don't wear them a lot. So I'm happy I'm gonna be able to wear this much more. I'm super excited. I'm gonna do it actually. And it's an automatic one. This is not a quartz. This is an automatic. I just want to precise. Automatic are working when you move. So you need to wear the watch. If not, it's gonna stop. A quartz is with like how do you say it? A pile in English. I don't remember. I don't know. On battery, I would say it's on battery. But this one is moving because you're moving. I don't know if it makes sense. Anyway, I'm not an expert in watches anyway. Okay, second thing that I have. It's Hermès unboxing, of course. This one, I was looking for it everywhere to find it. So, I'm gonna put this here. Little box. So this one is a ring, yes. So I'm gonna also put like a video just here. This way you can have a look. I'm just gonna remove my ring here and gonna put it here. It's beautiful. I love it. So this ring has an history because my parents for my 18th birthday bought me, like gifted me this ring. I lost it a year after, so when I was like 19, and then I bought it again because I didn't want to admit to my parents that I lost it. So I bought it again and lost it a year after. I was like, oh, seriously? So I stopped buying this one. I bought another one, and I never told my parents this. They never noticed actually. And so a few months ago, I was like, I think I'm gonna buy it, but I was not in a hurry. And then one day I checked the website. The ring is not on the website anymore. I was like, what the fuck? What's happening? So I went in store in France this time, and I asked the SA, but I want this ring. And she told me like, oh yeah, it's not available on the website, and I don't think I have one left. I might check, but they removed this on production. They stopped produce this one, and they are going to have new rings available in 2024. She did not give me any dates or any like designs, but they stopped producing the Lima one. The name of this one is Lima. This is a small one. So they stopped doing the small version of it. I don't know for the big one, but probably like they stopped multiple models in silver, and they are going to change them. So they did not have any in store. She told me like probably to buy Preloved or in another store with like if they have stock. I went to the Barcelona store. They had nothing. I went to Dubai for holidays, and I went to the airport store. Nothing. At Paris, nothing. In Dubai, I asked, but obviously they do not buy any silver things. They do only buy diamonds and rose gold and all that type of stuff, not my stuff. So of course they had nothing in silver. It was funny because they had like literally almost nothing. And the guy clearly made me understand that silver is like low key there. But anyway, when I came back from Dubai, I stopped at Paris airport, but in another terminal. So I tried my luck again, and they did had many of them, like at least 20 of them, and it was all size 51. All size 51. I think there was like only one size 49. I was lucky because 51 is my size for this finger, but this ring is my Pax, like kind of not engagement because this is my engagement one, but first engagement was this one, and I'm wearing it here. So I was like, ooh, it's gonna be a problem. So I think I'm gonna just keep this one because it was only size 51, so I had to take it, I had to buy it. And I'm gonna sell this one and buy it again in a bigger size to be able to wear it as well every single day, but on another finger. So if you are looking for a ring collier de chien, I'm going to sell it. It's a size 51. Yeah, because it's not really handsome to have like both of them here on the finger. It's not good. So I'm just gonna have like I think another size. I try on different fingers, but yeah, no, it's too small. I tried, but yeah, no, doesn't look good. So I think I'm just gonna buy this one again because they still have it on the store, and try to find my true size on other fingers because usually I only wear the finger here. So that is all. So I bought it for the price in store in Paris airport, but I bought it 530 euro. It was not without VAT because I was coming back. It's only when you go out of Europe that you can get the tax. I was not able to get it because I was coming back. So no luck for me, but in my bad luck, I had luck to get this. And like the SA in Paris and airport offered me like a pair of Chypre, but it was gray leather. It was weird, so I did not buy them because, you know, not my style. I don't like this. I don't like the Chypre personally, and gray like this was not super nice. Anyway, that is all for the unboxing of the day. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you very soon for another video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you sell the collection ring in a bigger size than 51. For example, a 53, I guess, would be fine. But yeah, thank you so much for watching again. Do not forget to follow and to subscribe, of course, to like the video and to comment. See you. Bye-bye.